Alright, thanks again for joining us here on Indy First Alert. We are on the scene of at least a two-vehicle accident with entrapment. I believe there is a vehicle that it sounded like it had rolled. We are at the intersection of Troy Avenue. I'm going to have to get a little bit closer here to see what the other part of the intersection is. Troy Avenue and Bluff Road. Heavy public safety presence out here. I don't see the vehicles just yet. I'm going to attempt to get a little bit closer here in just a moment, see if we can locate the accident. Oh, Jesus. Okay, so here's our accident. I'm going to come in a little bit closer. This is a really bad one here. So as you can see, what we've got is a car that is up against the side of a tree. The car is on its side, and it looks like the fire department had to cut the vehicle open to get the person out of the vehicle. This is really terrible here. It does look like to me that the person has already been taken out of the vehicle, and hopefully that person has already been transported. It actually looks like they're being put in an ambulance right now. If you look right in the middle of the screen, you can see someone has just been loaded into that ambulance. So I'm going to pull this back out a little bit so you can see the car again. Once again, this is at the intersection of Troy Avenue and Bluff Road in Indianapolis. So if you're just joining us tonight, we are at the intersection of Troy Avenue and Bluff Road in Indianapolis. What we've got here is a motor vehicle accident. At first, when it came across the radio, it sounded like it was a two-vehicle accident, but it appears here now that I'm on the scene that we've only got one vehicle, but this vehicle does have serious damage. It is flipped up on its side and leaning against a tree. It is completely mangled beyond recognition. I did hear on the radio on my way here that the fire department did have to cut the vehicle open and had to cut it open to be able to get the person out of the vehicle. That person is out of the vehicle and has already been taken by ambulance, I'm sure, to the nearest hospital. I don't have any report on the condition of that victim. We're going to go ahead and step back just a little bit. Just looks like the fire department is attempting to pull out of the scene here. So we definitely don't want to be in the way of them. Okay, so maybe they're just... Looks like we've got one back here also that is leaving the scene. So right here, once again, is the vehicle that was involved in this accident, leaning up against a tree on its side. I can't even tell what type of vehicle it is. So we're going to hope that this person does survive this accident. Alright, so it looks like the fire department is going to be on its way out of here pretty soon. I'm sure they're just waiting on a towing company to show up here and take care of this vehicle. We're going to go ahead and end this video now, this live video. We'll definitely see you at the next scene.